free. Click the notification bell to make sure that you are aware of all of this lit ass content that I'm bringing to you. All of it. Oh, and I still am the hardest working man in fucking showbiz. What it do, what happening, what cracking? I'm Jay, but this the Nissan family. Yo, so I told y'all I wasn't done with that car. Y'all thought that shit was cap. Nah, not yet, bro. I tell you a little something just to get me through a little shine. But I need y'all to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, that notification bell, turn it on. Make sure you don't miss nothing of the little content I'm giving you. And yeah, you want to be around here for the next level that we're bringing. Yeah, cause we ain't keeping it. We ain't keeping it, but you want to stay around for the next thing that's coming to the channel. No cap. So today I got my packages. In, and so this ain't no game. This ain't no joke. I'm about to open these boxes, and I need y'all to stick around. Give me a couple seconds. I'm getting my camera set up and everything here. Where can I put this? Because I don't have my mount. Alright, I'm still on here. Cool. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna open is this. I'm not sure. I don't know. But let's open it and let's see what this is, guys. And it's open. Made in the cut like a rock, so that right way. Alright, so this is, y'all can see that. These are my lights that I'm going to get installed. And I figured, where the hell I'm going to put these at? Alright, so it says 8 of them in here, 24 volts, so it should be pretty bright skating down the street. I don't know. You never know, guys. I gotta go out there and see if I could. I can hook them up, but probably can. Alright, so these are the lights. Y'all wait till y'all just wait, bro. Y'all just wait, bro. Tell you now. What is this? They recommend this thing. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Why you in there up on the side of me? And this is the exact same light bar? Yeah, it looks exactly the same as the one that I already have on there. And of course it came with hardwood pieces to mount it to make sure it don't move. I got these off of eBay. Pricing information is undisclosed. None of your business, in other words. I think this is the exact same light bar. And y'all know what I'm gonna do with this, right? I just let y'all wait to see. It go on the car, but y'all wait to see what I'm gonna do to it before I put it on the car. So there's that. My light bar. So if you ain't following, or if you already skipped, I opened my lights that go under, and I opened the light bar with the hardware set, 14 inches. You know, if you got a car and if your car knows isn't that big, then 14 inches should be average size, or almost average size. But y'all wait to see what I'm gonna do with this thing before I put it on that comment. This isn't a joke to me. It might be a joke to you because I ain't got no Challenger, no Charger, or no old school. But this ain't a joke to me, bro. This is just the first level, like I said. The next level, y'all might have to just triple subscribe to my channel. So let's see what's in this fed ass package. Oh, these are shoes. And it is only one pair of shoes. I'm out. Button. It's free. Click the notification bell to make sure that you are aware of all of this lit ass content that I'm bringing to you. All of it. Oh, and I still am the hardest working man in fucking show business.